To make your own gum paste, you will need 1 kilogram of icing sugar, which you need to sift. If you place a little bowl over the sieve when you do the sifting, then you avoid creating a large cloud of dust. Beat the sugar and 160 grams of egg white, medium speed, using a flat attachment of your stand mixer. In the meantime, prepare 50 grams of corn flour, 30 grams of CMC and some trex. Carbomethyl cellulose, CMC, or sodium methyl cellulose, Tylo powder, are edible gums and both work pretty much the same. After about 10-12 minutes of beating, the right consistency is achieved. It looks like a medium consistency royal icing. At this point, you can add your corn flour and CMC and continue to beat at medium to high speed for another 2 minutes. The mixture will turn up quite firm and will have the consistency of the usual paste. Grease your hands with trex, remove the paste from the bowl and keep kneading for another minute or so on the table, adding some more trex if necessary. Wrap the paste into cling film and then place into a Ziploc bag for about 24 hours. After 1 day, reknead the paste using more trex, cut in small portions and store in a freezer for up to 6 months or at the room temperature for up to 2 weeks. This paste can be very easy colored using any type of edible color, paste, gel, dust or liquid. Just add a drop and knead. This paste behaves beautifully. If you find it's too sticky, add some corn flour. If it's too hard to roll, add a bit more trex or fondant. It can be frilled, also used for freestanding decorations, fabric effects and many more. Have a go!